Hello people. So I've realized that in case certain videos of mine don't this thumbnail seems very freaky to look at, then I will reshoot those videos. So people, this, like I said, this was been a strange tip that I discovered with regard to looking good. And the fact is, the days that one is very agitated or angry and all, if you click a photo on those days, automatically you look older than what you would look when you're in a calm frame of mind, because I do these YouTube recordings every day. I'm able to like discern, so the days that I'm looking young and fresh and whatever, we all try to look youthful, right, is invariably the days that have been very happy and calm. And so this is an amazing tip. So seriously people, so I think the secret to looking young is to surround yourself with people and to generally inherently try and be in a very happy frame of mind, because then automatically you look young. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.